Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using heavy and cumbersome vacuums that just can't keep up with your busy lifestyle? Look no further than the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum, a game-changing cleaning tool that's about to become your new best friend. This powerful and portable device is a favorite among many customers, who rave about its impressive performance and versatility. With its hypervelocity suction, you'll be amazed at how easily it picks up dirt and debris from both hard floors and carpets, leaving them feeling smooth and looking like new. The sound of the motor is surprisingly quiet, and the lightweight design makes it a breeze to maneuver, even in tight spaces. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its ability to transform into a hand vac, complete with a crevice tool that lets you get into all those hard-to-reach areas, like between couch cushions or along baseboards. The large easy empty dust cup is also a major plus, making it simple to dispose of dirt and debris without having to touch it. Whether you're cleaning up after pets or tackling everyday messes, this vacuum is up to the task, and its 40 minutes of runtime gives you plenty of time to get the job done. With its impressive performance, ease of use, and convenient design, it's no wonder this vacuum is so well reviewed and popular among cleaning enthusiasts. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your cleaning routine? You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to keep your home clean and tidy with the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum on your side. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.